Hi, this is Brent Peterson. I'm here with cousin Oscar.
Hello.
How you doing, Oscar?
Pretty good.
How are we related?
I think,
Your dad is my cousin, right?
yeah,
So that makes us first cousins once removed.
yeah.
How old are you, Oscar?
15 and a half.
Oscar's 15 and a half. I'm 62. That's why he's so much better looking than I am. Oscar likes mountain biking, and he's been helping me with this great experiment. In the last year, we put out swarm traps trying to catch feral swarms of bees, wild bees. But we didn't find any, did we, Oscar?
No.
I think we had Class A accommodations.
Yeah, we didn't find any. We put the traps out and everything, but
Yeah, in good spots, too, I thought.
yeah.
Yeah. And we did observations over the summer. I came out about every 10 days, 2 weeks, looking for honeybees. There aren't any honeybees in this mountain valleys we're going to. And nobody's been keeping them since pioneer times, I don't think. So we're in a restoration project to bring honeybees back to this area, like the pioneers had. Because we didn't catch any, we ordered them. And so behind us here, we got 6 packages of bees. It's about 18 pounds of bees, 72,000 bees, females, workers, and 6 queens. And what's the weather today? It's 70 degrees in Salina.
Yeah, it's pretty sunny, mostly.
Yeah, a little windy.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I think we got it.
Might rain today, but it's a good day to put out the bees. So we're going to drive up the mountain. We're going to find where we put the hives out. We're going to make sure they're still level. And we'll get these bees situated and see if they can survive it and our great experiment works. Okay,
Yeah.
here we go. Okay, well, welcome. We're at the boot here. We're at about 6,822 feet, middle of Fish Lake National Forest. It's April 24th, and we're getting ready to put the bees out. This is one of the hives that I've designed. It's got a slope top for the snow. Entrance controller right there. Light comes off. It's insulated on the inside. I've got ventilation. And then come on in, Oscar. Let's show some more detail in here. I've got a feeder in here because they're new. It's new. We couldn't capture any bees, so we're gonna have to put new bees in. All these frames, these first 5 frames are full wax start, which hopefully will be good for the bees. And they'll start with that. We're gonna put the bees in here with about 6 or so frames to start out with. Should be enough to keep them comfortable in getting started. And we'll fill the feeder up. These are for expanding. I got a follower board here, and then these frames here are for expanding later on as we grow. And we'll be checking that every week. So it's real windy today. Sorry if you can't hear well. Oscar, thanks for filming. And that'll be it. We'll get going. Let's get this set up and then installing a package. We'll show you the package. Thanks.
Leave it on. That's good.
Okay, well here we are with Uncle Dan. Hi, Uncle Dan.
Hi, how you guys doing?
Hey, we're doing awesome. We're at his ranch here, RJ Ranch. What about 6,822 feet is what we measured.
Yeah,
Sound right?
that's
right
right.
here.
Right here.
It's about 64 degrees right now. Oscar's here with me. He's swinging the camera, and but he's looking good in this moon suit. I think he looks like an astronaut or something, especially with those cool glasses. And we're here. This is where we're at, and this is where we're putting it, right by these trees, so they get some shade a little bit. It's out here, and we'll go and do it. Okay, we're all suited up. This is a bee bus, it's called. It's a package of bees, 3 pounds. It's about 12,000 bees and a queen. This is an Italian queen. She's been bred. She's from that, and these bees may or may not be Italian. It doesn't really matter because they're not going to fertilize her or anything. And so we're getting ready to open and install the package over here in the hive. So come on, follow me, Oscar. Uncle Dan's going to stay back. He doesn't have a bee suit, and we've never done this before. Okay, so here we are. I forgot this. This is just to cover up the hole when I take the food out, so the bees don't all go flying away. Initially, I'm going to just spray the bees a little bit. I think I'll set them on the ground to do it, so I don't get my work table all dirty. And this is sugar water. 1-to-1 ratio with some essential oils in it. That'll help them calm down. You can hear them already getting quieter for that. So we'll do that. Now we're going to get the queen out. To do that, we just drop the bees down, take the sugar out, and cover them up. Okay, a couple of bees on there. Still lots of sugar water left. They haven't traveled very much. Put those ones in there. Get those home with the other ones. We'll set that down. See little holes in there where the water was coming out. Set that right here. Move this over and get the queen out. They're all around her. They like her. She's alive in there and she's alone. So that's good. There's a plug right here, which we'll take out in a second. And then there she is. She's got some attendants there. They're taking care of her. And they're feeding her, making sure she's happy. And so what we'll do is, I think we've got a knife here. And they're trying to feed her, which is great. I'm going to set this down. Get my knife open. And we'll... Do you have that candy plug, Oscar?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to be needing that in just a second. Sooner the better. Got it? Okay, thank you. Before any bees get in the way, we'll stick in the candy plug. She's only been with them about a day and a half, and so they said this plug's important. So that she'll get used to it. I'll start a little hole for them, which has already kind of started. So they'll want to get in there easier at her. Okay, there's the queen. We'll go put her here in the hive. What we've got here is I'm going to put her sideways in the hive so that there's no way that she's going to get blocked. We'll hang her like that. She'll be fine that way. They can get at her, they can feed her. And we'll just pin her in here like this so she doesn't go anywhere. Drop down accidentally or anything. Kind of hard to get through that, isn't it? Okay. There she is, safely in there, but that's not staying. Might have to do something better than my push pin next time. There it is, push pin's in. Okay, she'll be good there. Now we're going to take the bees box here and open it up. They said it just opens on the side here. There's some little tabs, and then you can, I can just pry those open with these tabs. Yep. And then we take this over, these two, take this over to the hive and set that down, and we open this up and we say, welcome to your new home, my friends. Welcome to your new home. Squished one, and I'm sorry about that. They're really liking staying in this box. There's a lot in there. Oscar, you can go get a picture in there if you'd like. not essential to get them all out. They really like the box right now because it's got sugar all over it. So we'll set this out right here by, so they can get in. Feel bad about the one I squished there. And there we go. Let me get some sugar water. I think I'll just spray down these, make them a little more attractive for these guys. These go gently in so you don't crush the bees. Did you get a picture down there, Oscar, of all those guys? That's awesome. That's cool, isn't it? We'll just gently put this down. They're crawling up the frames already. They'll move out of the way under the weight of the frame. That first frame's already dropped down. They've moved out of the way. Some bee space here. Get that out of the way. Thanks, Oscar. And then the last frame. So get these guys out of the way. Don't want to squish anybody else. Got some that are already fallen into the honey. Hopefully they can get out. Looks like that one's crawling out. Looks like this one's drunk. We'll get him out and hopefully he'll revive. Okay. That one crawled out nice. Okay. So they found the syrup. How are we doing on the front there, Oscar? They're heading home? Not quite yet. They're flying around. Okay. We'll get this all out of the way. We'll brush these guys out best we can because we don't want them on. I'm getting lost in here. Put the lid on. We'll come back in 4 or 5 days, make sure the queen got out, and remove the queen cage. So now they're gonna eat the sugar that's in the box now, and then they're crawling in right here. I'll leave it open for them. I might do it like, I don't want to squish that guy. I might do it like this and let them get in and out a little easier, you know, something like that. But they don't have to do defend the whole thing yet, but they can get in. And then this, we'd like them to all go up there. That's what we want. And hopefully some will come to the outside and they'll get the scent of the queen and they'll start putting their little rear ends in the air and putting pheromones out and saying, okay, this is home, come over here. So that's what we're hoping for. So if you come out and that's closed, we got a problem with that. Okay, hey Oscar. So we'll come back in about an hour. We can see, let's show them how many of these are left. There's quite a few left in there. They're not alive. Like I said, they're just eating the sugar that's there. They're gonna figure out that they're not home yet. Hopefully the dogs will leave them alone. And they'll crawl up there. Okay? Thanks, Oscar.
Thanks.